Welcome back to another episode of Hike and Hook. Today we are going ice fishing for big rainbow trout. Hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you out on the water. Welcome to the lake. We are out here with 8 inches of ice, which is surprising. Just finished a 2.5 mile hike. I'm joined out here by my dad and uncle. And our main goal for today is not to catch fish, but to not freeze our butts off. This is home sweet home, and now we're going to go eat trout roasted over the fire. Good morning, everyone. We are up and at it, already catching some nice fish. This is a 17-inch rainbow trout caught by my uncle. This thing was the size of a Subway footlong, my guy. Shout out to Josh for catching this monster fish. And if you like this content, be sure to check out his channel, Joshua Felsk. And if you're not already a Hike and Hook subscriber, please become one. I hope you enjoyed today's video as much as I enjoyed creating it.